Okay, so what we're going to do is use this technique to stretch this ball. I had done it manually, and I'll show you how to do that in a bit. But we're going to try to use this effect called echo, and we're trying to manipulate the echo by using this powerful tool called expression. So let's start. First, we um, we have yellow ball here, and let me move it forward so when it happens, yes. Okay, we have the yellow ball, and I'm looking for the effect echo. So I put that up there. I look for it, and I find it, and I drag this to here. So now we have added that effect, but obviously this kind of echo is not going to work. The first thing we do is I just know that the timing is a little off, so we got to do, and all of this is in the PowerPoint lecture as well. So you follow along with the PowerPoint lecture. Now this is a minus 0.004. I know that the echo operator needs to be maximum. And check this out. The effects shows up here. We twirl it down, and I want to go here, expressions tool or method to manipulate the number of echoes. We're going to make the echoes or these to duplicate more as it goes faster. So there's a formula for that. All right, it's now okay. So what I did was much like you did keyframe assistant, and this is kind of a right click, and I go to edit expression. All right. Now is a whole formula that it's also. Let me show you. Here, I got to get out of here first. And this is all here. Bouncing ball animation, echo effect. I think it's just the slide 19. And we want this formula right here. So that's math.abs transform.y position speed slash. Actually, I decided to put 2000, but I'll put 800 to start with. So just to show you, the higher the number, the less expressive it is. All right, so let's start with math. And where do you do this? It's very, very strange. Okay, we're gonna go math, and what you do is make sure that it prompts you and you click on it, because much like programming, every little detail, if it's a little slightly off, then it won't work. So, all right. And I think the next was ABS, but here it is again. It's prompt, so you click on that. Don't just write it out because it won't work. Something will be wrong. All right. Let's try. I hope that the camera's catching this. And then transform.y, and it's lowercase trans. Does it pop up? Yep. And then I go dot y. Just double check. Okay, that is not a capital Y. All right. And then position dot speed. So position. Oh, yeah. So that's Y position dot speed. There you go. And then I told you I was going to start with 800 first, just for fun. And I hope it works. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. See this? Pretty wacky. Okay, looking good, looking good. Now, I don't like it to be that cartoony, so I'm going to boost up the number. Yeah. So I lost it for a hit a button. I have no idea what button I had. And let's save it. And yeah, it's not as wacky. Again, we're using expressions to make this. Well, first we started with the effect echo, and then we manipulated echo by using expressions and with this formula.